Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to cover the basics of Python, how to install it, and why it's such a powerful tool for both beginners and professionals. Before we start coding in Python, we need to get it installed on your computer. Don't worry, it's super simple. First, head over to the official Python website, python.org. Click on the Downloads tab and select the latest version of Python for your operating system. If you're on Windows or Mac OS, Python will automatically suggest the right version for you. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation instructions. Make sure to check the box that says, Add Python to Path. This is important. After installation, you can check if everything is set up correctly by opening your command prompt or terminal and typing Python version. Now that you have Python installed, you're ready to start coding. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It's known for its simplicity and readability, which makes it a great choice for beginners. With Python, you can build web applications, perform data analysis, automate tasks, and even work with AI and machine learning. Here are 3 reasons why learning Python is a great decision for your coding journey. Easy to learn. Its simple syntax mimics everyday English, which makes the learning curve much smoother. Huge community support. Python has a vast and active community, so finding resources, tutorials, and forums is easy. Career opportunities. Many top companies use Python, and it's a must-have skill in data science, web development, and AI. Alright, now that we've covered why Python is awesome, let's dive into the basics of its syntax. In Python, a Hello World program is as simple as typing print Hello World. As you can see, it's super easy to understand. Now let's break it down. Print is a built-in function that outputs text to the console. Next up, let's look at variables and data types. In Python, you don't need to specify the type of a variable explicitly. You can simply assign a value, and Python will figure it out. Here, Python automatically knows that x is an integer, name is a string, and pi is a float. Let's move on to control flow with a simple if-else statement. This code is an example of an if-else statement in Python that checks the value of the variable age and prints a message based on whether the person is an adult or a minor. Line 1, age equals 18. This line assigns the value 18 to the variable age. Line 2, if age greater than or equal to 18. This line starts an if statement, checking if the value of age is greater than or equal to 18. If this condition is true, which in this case it is, because age is 18, the code inside the if block will be executed. Line 3, print, you're an adult. If the condition from the if statement is true, age is 18 or more, this line will execute, printing the message, you're an adult. Line 4, else. This is the else statement, which provides an alternative if the condition in the if statement is false. In other words, if age is less than 18, the code in the else block will run. Line 5, print, you're still a minor. If the age is less than 18, this message will be printed, you're still a minor. In summary, if age is 18 or more, the program prints, you're an adult. If age is less than 18, it prints, you're still a minor. That's a quick introduction to Python. As you can see, it's easy to pick up and super powerful. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into topics like loops, functions, modules, and more. So if you're interested in mastering Python, make sure to subscribe to RRTechPro and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Keep coding, and stay tuned to RRTechPro.